Hey, good morning YouTube. So today's video is going to be featuring something that I purchased and I received in the mail about a week ago, I want to say, but I hadn't had a chance to film. And I'm not gonna lie, I've already opened this, but I put everything back in the box so I can show you guys how it comes packaged. And what I bought and I'm very excited about is the Christmas Dreams makeup collection. It says limited edition makeup collection. At first I thought it was just the palette, but then I realized that it came with all this other stuff, which was pretty cool. So again, this is the box it comes in, and I actually used the palette to create this look that you see here today. After this video I'm going to edit that one so I can upload it right after this one, but I wanted to give you guys a bit of a review and some swatches first, and then you guys can see how I did this. So I will link that video down below so you guys can go check it out. And let me give you guys a close-up. I tried to use especially this color because this is one of the colors that drew me to this palette, so go check that out after this video. And I'm gonna go and open it for you guys, and it comes like this. So the first thing you see here is the Too Faced Hangover 3-in-1 Prime Set Refresh Replenishing Primer and Setting Spray. That's what it looks like. And you know, actually, the last time that I was at Sephora, when I bought the highlighter for my the highlighter that I'm wearing today, I actually thought about buying the Urban Decay setting spray, but I said no, I think I can wait off on that because I've never used a setting spray, so I said I can hold off. So this was a pretty cool thing that it came in there, so I can try a setting spray. It says here that you can, let's see here, so to prime, apply to clean skin before makeup, which I put some on my face before I applied my makeup, and it smells really good. Like, kind of like coconut, but not that strong, like a little fresher. I don't know, but it smells really good. Oh, hello. I just realized. It says, it says with coconut water, probiotic based ingredients, and skin revivers. So that explains the scent. It smells really good, really refreshing. And actually I didn't use any to set my face afterwards. Maybe I'll try it now. Ugh, it's so cold. It smells so good. It does say to apply it after makeup to keep it in place all day, so we'll see how that works. I guess you're supposed to like let it dry. Like I said, I've never used a setting spray before, but this one smells pretty good, and it's a pretty good like size, so you can try it out, you know, like a trial size. So that's the first thing you get in the box, and then you get a lip gloss, which I haven't even opened because I wanted to do it on camera, at least get a first impression on this one, and it's called the Pink Swan. And I'm not really big on lip glosses, I'm not gonna lie, but let's try this one out. I'm actually wearing right now a what am I wearing? It's a Smashbox lip gloss, but it's matte, so let's try this one since I'm wearing the eyeshadow. Oh, this is a pretty, it's a nice topper. That's nice. I'm not gonna get too close because I don't want you guys to see my mustache. But anyway, one of the reasons why I'm not big on lip glosses is because I don't really like the sticky feeling. But this one's not too bad. Considering it's pretty, I would wear this. It doesn't smell like anything, but it's really pretty. It's like pink and it has like the color, and it kind of has a touch of orange or something like that. Let me bring it up close so you guys can see it again. You see how it reflects real nice? So that's that. And then it comes with a mascara, which I'm so dumb, I should have used this when I did my tutorial, but I guess I'll try it for you guys now. Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara. Okay. Do you guys ever wonder, like, Who comes up with these names? I don't know. It's so weird to me. But anyway. So this is what the one looks like. Focus. Well, it's just a one. So let's try this out. I'm already wearing some mascara, but I'm gonna layer it. I don't know, I can't really tell because like I said, I'm already wearing it, but I'll try it in another video. And it comes in handy because I'm almost out of my mascara that I have now. So that's that mascara. And then my favorite part is the palette, which looks like this. And you know what? Retract. Going back to like the names and stuff. Well, actually, no, I don't have to retract. But how I was saying that sometimes I wonder like who comes up with these names because they're so funny. But anyway, so this is the palette, and it's called Dream Queen. And even though it's a kind of like cardboard, I guess it's like cardboard, but it's pretty sturdy. And then when you open it, it looks like that. And it's so pretty. So see, for example, I'm going to go ahead and start from... No, how am I going to do this? Well, anyways, let me show you guys. Let's look at some names here. For example, that brown one. This one. Here for the hose. Like, really? And then, which other one's kind of funny? Which one also come my... That one. Here for the hose. And then all the jingle ladies. That's pretty cool. And then... What is it? Keep your hands to your elf. That's pretty cool. And then it comes with, I guess this is like a bronzer, which I don't really use bronzers. And then you get 2 blushes, Winterberry and what is it? Sweet on Santa, and then this is like a highlight, I guess, kind of Snow Extra. So I'm gonna swatch some of the ones that I used today. So like I said, one of the main colors that drew me to this palette was this one here. So let me swatch it for you guys. That's just with a finger. And I guess I'll swatch it right here. It's coming off like a gray, but it's more of a blue. I mean, you can see it on my eyes, but that's what this one is. And let me get a wipe so that I can clean off my finger while I swatch for you guys. And then another one that I used here was the Pink Flurries. Pink Flurries. And that's what this one looks like. And I didn't swatch all of them. I only touched the ones that I used, but let's swatch. Cozy Up. That is such a pretty color. Cozy Up here. Very pigmented. Look at that. I should have used this color too. But that's what that one looks like. And then I want to try Christmas FOMO. Did I say that right? The purple one. That's a pretty one too. Let's watch that. Yeah, that's nice. And it's the one that I'm using under my eyes. I'm not gonna lie. Well, let's watch it on camera because I tried using this one on my eyes and it didn't do much for me. It's called Keep Your Hands to Your Elf. Maybe I have to use something else like with a brush or something, but it didn't really come off of my lids at all. So let's swatch it here. Okay, maybe I should use my finger. Okay, now it's showing up a little bit more. It's pretty sheer though. And then let's try the black one, because black shades are always kind of tricky. Sometimes they're very chalky and stuff, but I actually used a little bit of the black on here and it blended pretty nicely. Maybe because I already had another shadow on there and it kind of blended in with the one that was already there. I don't know, but let's give it a swatch. When it's very soft, I guess right off the bat you can kind of tell when they're gonna be good, because this one feels really soft. Now let's swatch it. Yeah, this is a really good black shade. These are hard to come by, the black. Look at that. That's pretty. Very nice. Now let's try. Did we already try Let's Roll? No. Let's see. Yeah. Let's Roll. Let's try this one. So I just want to give you guys some swatches of this palette, which I'm in love with. And we'll put this one right here on my hairy arm. That's pretty. And I'm not going to swatch them all. I just wanted to show you guys what I got. Let's try, did we try Here for the Hose? Let's try that. I can't get over that name. This one here. It's a brown with glitter. It's really pretty. I used a little bit of that also. And we'll just put this one right here. But that's nice. Now let's watch the blushes. I should have put some on my face, but I'm using something else. I should have just used everything from here. But anyway, let's try Winterberry. And we'll try this one right here. That's pretty. And then let's try Sweet on Santa. Right here. Oh, I like that one better. They're pretty soft, but I mean, once you apply it with the brush, you can make it darker. So this is the palette again. Overall, I'm pretty satisfied. I didn't have any trouble blending the colors, and like I said, I was a little disappointed with I tried this one and the Sweet on Silver Bells, but I guess once it would be better to apply with a finger. But it works pretty good. I mean, I really like it. And I was thinking, I was like, maybe I would have liked it better if I had a mirror, but it's too big to like be holding up, you know. And so I think it works out the way they did it. And the magnet is pretty good. I mean, I don't know if it matters, but I'm just throwing it out there because this is like a swatch / review or whatever. And then the last thing that comes in this little box is this little, well, not little, it's a pretty big makeup bag. It has little swans on there, and then it has this thing which is already coming off. Just tight up. And then it has this Too-Faced little logo, which I like to take off this thing. Just gonna reveal how shiny it is. So I guess I'm just gonna put my palette in here along with my other stuff. Keep it all together nicely in here. I'm probably gonna end up though folding this and putting it away in my makeup bag, because I already have a lot of little bags within my bag, so I don't think I need another one. But yeah, so this is what I bought for myself for Christmas, and I really like it. Again, I said I'm very satisfied. I had been thinking, if you guys saw my Hello December video, I was like debating whether I should buy it or not, but ultimately I said screw it. I like it, I want it, I think I deserve it. I probably don't deserve it, but anyway, yeah, so for, like I said, I'm gonna be uploading the tutorial for this. I know I repeat myself a lot, but I'm just gonna say it anyway. I'm gonna upload the tutorial, and also guys, I'm really thinking about doing a Q&A or get to know me video, since it's a new year and I want to grow my channel. And I think that if I make it a little more personal and you guys know a little bit more about me, I guess maybe you guys would be a little more engaged, or I don't know. You know, I just want to, like I said in one of my videos, this is a social platform, and I think that's a good way to be, you know, supposed to be social, I guess that's what I'm trying to say. Like, talk to people, not only watch videos, but interact and learn from each other and share, like, share whatever we want. Okay, so this is all that I want to share with you guys today. Again, I want to thank all of you guys so much for watching my videos and for subscribing. I want to give a shout out to Charlize and Selena Harkin and Jenna, who always leave their lovely comments on my videos. I will link them down below if you guys want to go check them out. No, anyway, so yeah, this is all I want to share with you guys. Again, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys like this video. Comment down below if you guys have this palette, or if you have a video tutorial using the palette, so I can go check it out, so I can get, again, remember to subscribe, comment, like, share with your friends if you like my videos, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.